Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Waalaikumsalam. Good
Waalaikumsalam
morning,
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, Miss.
Miss.
All right. How are you today, guys?
I'm
Fine.
fine, Miss.
Alhamdulillah. I'm fine too. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Najara Triandaru. Today we are going to learn about asking and giving suggestion. Focus on speaking skill. Next. So we have learning objective. After this lesson, uh, student, you will be able to identify expression of asking and giving suggestion, use the expression in a simple conversation, and perform a short dialogue confidently. Next. All right, now let's begin with warm-up activity. I will asking you one by one. Number one, what do you usually do when you have a problem? Uh, Tasha.
When I have a problem, I usually take some time to think about it and find a way to solve it. If it is difficult, I ask someone I trust for help, Miss.
Great. Number two, do you ask your friend for advice, Fanny?
Yes, ma'am. I usually ask my friend for advice because they can give me different idea and helpful suggestion.
Yep, great, very good, everyone. When we ask someone for advice and give advice to others, we use expression of asking and giving suggestion. Next, yeah, definition. What is asking and giving suggestion? Asking and giving suggestion are expression used to ask for and give advice, ideas, or a solution to someone problems. These expressions are commonly used in daily conversation to show concern over support and help others solve their problem politely and effectively. And the purpose is to ask for advice, to give recommendation, and to help someone solve problem. Next. Yep, expressions and language features. Here's are some expression for asking suggestion. Is what should I do? Can you give me some advice? Or do you have any suggestion? Or do you have recommend? What do you recommend? And for giving suggestion, we have you should blah 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 blah. Why don't you blah blah blah? I think you should blah 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 blah. You better blah blah blah. And how about blah blah blah? Like this. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Understood,
All
Miss.
right. Great. Next. Nah, I have example dialogues in here about Sarah and Maya, and I will choose two students to read this dialogue. So I choose Lady and Andy Hafiz, so you can be whatever you want, or Lady will be Sarah, or uh, Pais will be Sarah. Up to you guys. So let's begin.
Uh, I'm Sarah, okay, lady.
Okay.
Hi, Maya. Do you have a minute?
Sure, what's wrong?
I'm really worried about my English classes.
Why? What happened?
I got a low score on my last English test, and I don't know how to improve my English.
Oh, I see. Have you been studying regularly?
Not really. I usually study only the night before the test.
Well, I think you should study a little every day instead of studying at the last minute.
That's a good idea, but I also have trouble remembering new vocabulary.
Why don't you make a vocabulary on notebook? You can write down new words and review them every day.
That sounds helpful. Do you have any other suggestions?
Yes, you should watch English movies or videos with subtitles. It can help you learn new words and improve your listening skills.
Yeah, I've never tried that before.
You'd better practice speaking too. Maybe you can speak English with your friends after school.
Yeah, I'm a little shy when speaking English.
Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. The important thing is to keep practicing.
Yeah, you're right. I think I need to be more confident.
Exactly. If you practice regularly, your English will improve.
All right. Thank you so much for your advice, Maya.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thanks. I'll start practicing today.
Great, everyone. Excellent. Thank you so much for reading the example. Now I have some question. I have 3 questions. So I hope you can answer about this dialogue before we move. Number 1, in the dialogue, what problem did Sarah have? Tasha.
Yes, Miss. Sarah got a low score on her English test and didn't know how to improve her English.
Yep, great, good answer. Number 2, what suggestion did Maya give to Sarah, lady?
Yes, miss. Study a little every day, make a vocabulary notebook, watch English movies with subtitles, and practice speaking with friends.
Yep, great, that's a good answer. Number 3, for the last question, what did Maya suggest watching English movie with subtitle? Uh, Andi Hafiz.
Because it can help Sarah learn new vocabulary and improve her listening skills.
Yep, great question. For the next slide, uh, thank you for answering. For the next slide, now it's time to practice. So for the situation you have many excitement and feel stressed, please work with your partner and imagine you have excitement and feel stressed. For the instruction, you can read in here. Ask for suggestion, give at least 2 suggestions, create a short dialogue and practice in front of the Zoom. And you have 1 minute to prepare. So I will ask to Tasha and Fanny to do this assignment, to do this dialogue.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
You already done with the dialogue?
Yes, Miss.
All right, it's time to yours.
Hi, Fanny. Can you give me some advice?
Of course, what's the problem?
I have many assignments from different subjects and I feel stressed.
Oh, I see. I think you should make a to-do list and manage time carefully.
That's a good suggestion. What else do you recommend that?
Why don't you work on one assignment at a time? It will help you stay focused.
That's true.
You should also get enough and avoid staying up too late.
Thank you. I feel better now.
No problem. I'm sure you can do it.
Excellent. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate to you all guys to dialogue in front of the class. Next slide is about reflection before we end. So I have 4 questions. I hope you can answer my question correctly. Number 1, what new expression of asking and giving suggestion did you learn today? Dias Arsalia, can you answer my question?
Yes, Miss. Today I learned several expressions for asking and giving suggestions, such as, "Can you give me some advice?" and "I think you should."
Nice. Number 2, which expression do you think is the most useful in daily life and why? Andi Hafiz.
It was easy. I I think I think you should is the most useful expression because I can use it to help my friends when they have problems.
All right, good answer. And who wants to answer another answer for this question? Maybe Fanny, number 2. All right, if Fanny didn't respond me, number 3. Was it easy or difficult to give suggestion in English and explain your reason, lady?
Ma'am, Miss,
Yes.
I want to answer number 2.
All right, go ahead.
For me, do you have any suggestion? Is the most useful because I often ask for advice when I don't know what to do.
Oh, great answer. Even you late to answer, but it's okay. It's a great. Number 3, was it easy or difficult to give suggestions in English and explain your reason? So I want to lady to answer.
Yes, Miss. It was quite easy because I already knew some basic expressions like "you should."
All right, good. Number 4, how can you use today listen when helping your friends solve problems? Tasha.
I can use this expression to give advice to my friend when they face problems at school, Miss.
Yeah, great. Thank you guys for the answer. Next. Yep. Before we end this lesson, we have conclusion about the material. Today we learn about asking and giving suggestion, which are expressions used to ask for and give advice, idea, or solution to someone's problem. We also learn several useful expressions such as what should I do? Do you have any suggestion? And I think you should blah blah blah. By practice this expression through dialogues, we can improve our speaking skills and communicate more confidently and interact politely with others in English. These expressions are very useful in everyday situation because they help us ask for help, share opinions, and support others when they face problems. And remember, the more you practice speaking English, the more confident and fluent you will become. All right. Thank you for attention and the participant today. See you at the next lessons. And yeah, have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Thank you,
wabarakatuh.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, my pleasure.